Alright, so we just got this brand new LG dishwasher. So here's what happens. Once a month, we're gonna clean this drain trap in here. You see this right here? So turn this clockwise and then lift it out. So much easier than the last one, right?
Yeah.
And then you clean all the food particles off, right? Clean the inside of this. And then it goes back underneath the arms like that. And see, there's a little groove actually where it rests. See? And then this goes down and it clicks into place. You can see this arrow lines up with this arrow, and that's how you know it clicks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful
I know.
dishwasher.
Stainless steel.
Named Allison.
The Allison dishwasher. So that's how you clean the filter on this LG. So much easier than the anytime we had before, right?
Cool.
Yeah. Thanks.
Awesome.